take my fingernail, let's see there. Gently remove the outer covering, the white part of the tape here. And usually I will have styled my hair some before I even start this process while it's on the mannequin head. And then I'll touch it up with a little styling and once it's on my head. Okay, now what I do, I always make sure the pointed side, the more narrow side, that's the front. Okay. I'll take it. And I'll go back. Uh-oh. You want to be sure, and I have to be more careful about that, that when you're moving this around, you don't want the hair to stick on this tape because it'll tear the hair out of the unit. So you want to try to be very careful when you're placing it on your head, not to let the hair move over on the tape. Okay? And then I'll just go like that. Just lightly. Now, what I do is I got the system. I have a little more than 3 fingers above my eyebrow. So I'll just touch the top of my eyebrow and just a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, just a little bit there. That's how I do it. And then I kind of, before I tighten it, before I let it go down, because once you push this down, if you try to move it after you put it down like that, it's gonna hurt you, because this stuff is real strong adhesive. So I make sure the front looks good, looks about right, even out on the sides and the back. And then when I got it in position, I know exactly where I want it. Then I press. Just put you a little weight. And then like so. And it ain't going anywhere. I mean, a big windstorm is not going to blow this thing off. It's secure. It's very secure. And then I'll just play with it a little bit. You know, I styled it some when I had it on the head, and then I'll just say, okay, what do I want to do? How do I want to look today? You know. And I'm always looking at photos and things, so I try different styles. And usually I'll put a little water, kind of moisten that helps it move into place, and then I don't know. This is one look I like where push it forward. I mean, you can push it backward, you push it forward, you can do anything. That's the beautiful thing. This is real human hair, so you can move it in any direction you want. It's just like it's like your own hair. Okay, and so I'll just see which way I want it for the day. There. And so I'm going to go for that kind of look today. Make sure it's there. So I'll play with it sometimes. I'll go like that, or that's all. I'll get just kind of where I want it. Let's see. Let's see here. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I think about right there. Then I'll spray a little conditioner on it. And I spray conditioner every day. You want to put conditioner on your hair every day to keep it soft and natural, the sheen of the hair, the shine. Okay. Just a little bit. And then we're good to go.